Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss the next part of the chapter direct and indirect speech. Okay, I hope you all understand of the previous video. We have to we have learned about the simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Okay, and I gave some of the example of the all these tenses in a direct speech to change into the indirect speech. Okay, so today we have to take some of the parts that is the left in a previous day, the past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous and future tense. Okay, so let's start the video and know more thing about the tense. Clear? So let's, you can see in the previous we have to learn how can we change direct speech into the indirect speech of the present tense. Okay, so today we have to take the past indefinite tense or simple past tense. Okay? Simple past tense. I think you all understand about the part of direct speech. Okay, so let's take a single example of past indefinite tense, like a Ram said to me he went to school. Ram said to me he he went to school. Here he went to school. Simply you can identify this important part by the help of verb. Here the verb second form, so it is the called simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense. And you can see here important verb also in a past tense. Then you have to change it into the indirect speech. The said to will be told. Okay, Ram told me. Use the connective word that. Okay, and this you can see in the graph. Past indefinite change into the past perfect tense. Past indefinite change into the past perfect tense. Then you have to write he had. It is the sign of past perfect tense. And second form will change into the third form. Okay, he had gone to school. And you can easily change the simple past tense into the indirect speech. The sentence will be Ram told me that he had gone to school. Here he went to school. It is the simple present, simple past tense. And when you use the rule is change the past perfect tense into the past perfect tense. Okay. So you can see here reported speech is also converted into the past perfect tense. He had gone to school. It is the rule of change the direct speech into the indirect speech. Clear? I hope you all understand. Next is past continuous tense. Same example we will take. Ram had said. No said. You can use here had. Okay. Had said to me. Okay. He past continuous. He was going to school. Noted comma close. Okay. So you can see here. Here is the example. Direct speech example. Ram had said to me he was going to school. You can see here the sentence he was going to school. This sentence indicate of the past continuous tense. Okay, past continuous tense. Then you have to change it into the indirect speech. You can see here it is the past tense. So your sentence will be Ram had told use the that told me. Here is the object me that change this sentence past continuous into the past perfect continuous. So past perfect continuous, you know very well, use the had been. Okay, then your sentence will be he had been going to school. Okay, he had been going to school. It is the past perfect continuous tense. How? You can see had been and verb ing, that is the sign refer to the past perfect continuous. Okay, so I think you all understand it, past perfect continuous. Clear? Now next next is past perfect tense and past perfect continuous. You can see here is the no changing of the past perfect and past perfect continuous. I gave an example of one, like a Ram said to me he had gone to school. He had gone to school. I think you know very well this reported speech in a past tense. Okay, it is a in past tense. When this is the in past perfect tense, it is a past perfect tense, then no change, no change. So you have to simply write here Ram said, not said, it will be told. Okay, told me that. Okay, told me that. So it is the past perfect tense. So if your reported speech is in a past perfect tense, then there is no any changing of the reported speech. Then you have to simply write here he had gone to school, and you can easily change the direct speech into the indirect speech. Clear? I hope you all understand it very well. Okay, so same process will continue in a past perfect tense. Okay, if you are reported speech in a past perfect tense, then you cannot change the indirect speech of the direct as a past perfect tense. Clear? Now next is future tense. Okay, I think you know very well here about the future tense. I gave some of the example of the future tense and you can easily understand it. You know very well that the future tense have a will and shall. Like he will go to school. He will go to school. It is a simple future tense. It is the part of simple future tense, and you can see here will and shall. When you change the direct speech into the indirect speech, will be would and shall will be should. Clear? So your sentence of indirect speech, Ram told me that. Okay, he, and here will be would go to school. It is the simple future tense. And if your tense is future continuous tense, for example, Ram said to me he will be. I think you know will be going to school. Going to school, you can see here will be used in this reported speech and verb ing. So this sentence will be the future continuous tense. Okay. future continuous tense. And when you change the future continuous tense direct speech into the indirect speech, there is no changing, only one changing will happen here, that is will be would. Okay, for example, this is the direct speech and you have to change it in direct speech. Then you have to write down here, Ram told me that he would be, okay, going to school. And you can easily change direct speech into the indirect speech. I hope you all understand it very well. Okay, it is a simple process to change direct speech and indirect speech. Clear? Now next, if you have any kind of the model auxiliary, if you get any kind of the model auxiliary in a direct speech, then how can you change into the indirect speech when the sentence will be has used model auxiliary? Okay, so you can see here I will write some of the sentence that is the huge model auxiliary, like he said to me, he said to me, comma, inverted comma, he can go to school. He can go to school. Okay, so simply you have to see here, can is a model auxiliary, and when you change it into the indirect speech, there is no more changing, only one changing will happen here, can will be could. Okay, can will be could and nothing more changing, and you have to write simply he said, in place of said to you have to write told me. Use same conjunction word that, and here the he, and can will be could. Okay, could go to school, and you have to change it simply in the indirect speech. Clear? Give us another example, like he said to me, comma, and noted comma, it may rain. It may rain. Clear? It may rain. There is the may word is a auxiliary word, and if your reported speech have a auxiliary word, you have to change it easily as to change in a past form. Okay, and you have to write here simply he told me that, okay, it may will be my rent. Okay, my rent. I hope you are understand it very well. Okay, and if you get must in this sentence, must, if you get must in this sentence, there is no changing. You have to simply write the must in their proper place, only add the conjunction word. Okay, so I hope you all understand the direct and indirect speech. It is the statement, changing of the statement. Clear? So some of the words that is very important, wherever these words used in a direct speech, when you change the direct to indirect speech, some of the word is very important to convert into their another form. Okay, for example, now, if you get now word in a sentence, then you can change into, it will be changed into, okay, changed into then, then. Okay, then if you have this, then you have to change that. Okay, if you get these, then it will be changed into those. Okay, it will be same as it, and here will be, you know very well, here it will be changed into there. Okay, here will be there. Thus, so, thus, so, come, go. Okay, come, go. Ego, it will be before. Okay, ego before. Just, then. Okay, just will be then. Sum of the word: today, that day. Today, that day. You can change the today word into the that day. If you get tomorrow, tomorrow, it will be the next day. Okay, if you get tomorrow, then it will be changed into the next day. If you get study, study, it will be changed into the previous day. The previous day. Okay, study will be changed into the previous day. Okay, last night, change into the night before. The night before. Okay, and if you get next day, you have to change it to the following day. The following day. Okay, if you get tonight, then it will be changed into the that night. It is the simple that some of these words will change into the indirect speech in their another form. Okay, clear? I gave some of the example, like a I gave some of the example. Rakesh said, I went to school yesterday. Okay, I went to school yesterday. The yesterday change into the previous day. So simply you have to write down here, Rakesh said that I will change particular subject he, and this is the past tense, then it will be changed. Simple past tense, it will be changed into the past perfect. Okay, he had gone to school yesterday. Yesterday will change into the previous day. The previous days. Okay, clear? I hope you all understand this changing. Clear? Next day we have to discuss about the pronoun, how can we change the pronoun word and interrogative sentence. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. We have to meet in the next day.